We've been milking cows here since the early 1960s, and we know that if we want to keep milking cows here, we're going to have to constantly adapt and improve our operation, find ways to be more efficient. So when we learned about Alta Cow Watch and the way the technology could be used to help us get more milk, get cows pregnant sooner, we knew that this was something we wanted to pursue and look into. My name is Thomas Sawyer. I'm a farm manager at Diamond S Ranch in Waterford, California. We milk just under 1,000 Holstein. The most impressive feature of the Alta Cow Watch is definitely the heat detection. Since installing the Alta Cow Watch system, we've had higher preg rates, higher conception rates, and more cows pregnant on the farm than ever before.
Conception rate percent in the first 9 weeks of having Alta Cow Watch, we've seen it go up by 13.4%. The preg rate has gone up by 8 points. So with 62 extra pregnancies in 9 weeks, when compared to the same 9-week period last year, we've made a tremendous amount of progress. We're talking almost an extra pregnancy every day over that 63-day period. That is really impressive and really incredible.
Having Alta Cow Watch as a manager has been really helpful. It makes me feel like I have an extra tool that's looking out and giving data on each one of our cows down to the individual cow level. I feel like it enables my guys to see what's going on better here at the farm. We'd have a cow that didn't even look like she was sick, and my guy would go up and find out that, oh, she actually does have a temperature, even though she's not showing any physical signs, because the collar had picked up on that inactivity that she had a spike on. So we're diagnosing and treating problems sooner. So before problems get more severe, we're finding those cows early on and treating those with less expensive and less intense medications. We've noticed a drop in our fills and how much we're spending on drugs each month. What I'm really looking forward to with the Alta Cow Watch system is that we have a sort gate ordered. And so once that gets here, we're no longer going to need the walk-up cows. Each morning, the cows that we need to breed, the cows that we need the health check are going to get sorted off in the morning. The breeder and the manager are going to be able to come in and work on those cows. And then the cows in the rest of the string will never have to be locked up or have any issues with that. I've been really happy with the help that we received from the Alta Cow Watch team. They're always a phone call away. And when it came to the install, they brought a whole team out to help us get the system set up and going. It only took about a day, and we were up and running. We were getting data from the very first few hours. And so it was a really smooth process, and we had a lot of help doing it. And anytime I have a question or an issue, it's really easy to get in touch with somebody and get an answer, or different features that are coming out. It's nice to know that the system and the process is always getting better and better. I was a little worried about the integration in the system and just how the data would be able to talk to each other, but it was pretty seamless the way that DHI Plus and Alta Cow Watch are able to communicate. We were able to pair the sensor in the collar with the sensor that was in the ear tag, and so when the cows go into the parlor, we were getting more accurate milk weight readings, because sometimes with just the ear button, you'd walk in through the sensor with their head turned or down or something in a different way. And now with both the sensor of the collar and the ear button, we're getting more accurate milk weight readings, and so it's helping that system, and that was another unexpected benefit that we got from the collar system.
The relationship and partnership that we have here with Diamond S, I believe that Alta brings to the table a great value in terms of the Alta Cow Watch being able to make cows more reproductively efficient. Getting these cows pregnant sooner, faster, is going to lead to more profitability into their bottom line.